Portugal has unique conditions to play a major role in this new generation of investments. Our geographic location, our resources, and our exclusive economic zone that makes Portugal 6 times larger than our neighboring Spain, and that puts us in a privileged position.
I think we all really need to take into account and remember in everything we do, every day, the fact that we're already at a tipping point.
And good afternoon, everybody. Benedictine and off the Padre of Galera. A very happy St. Patrick's Day for the Museum of San Patricio.
Join me, Arnold Delville, General Manager of the IPBN, Friday, March 17, to celebrate St. Patrick's Day in Lisbon at our Sustainability Conference and learn about energy efficiency solutions, smart cities, ESG and profitability, can technology save the future, and some of our members will tell us how with their business they are working for a more sustainable world.